What is up, YouTubers? Welcome back. It's been a while since the last video. I know, been busy with working on my trucks here, and finally I got some time today to work on my other projects that been sitting and waiting. So today the plan is just to take this bench seat out, and I've got those seats out of the F-250. They are electric ones. We're gonna put them in. And this truck, as you may see, it's sitting on ramps because the clutch went down, the torque converter. I was hauling the tires for the junkyard and get back, and it was sitting on an island, and I was loading it with the forklift, and then I heard the noise out of that area where the engine and transmission connected, like chick 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 chick, and then simply just stalled. And I'm gonna check today what's wrong with that. We'll try to pull the starter out, try to rotate the engine, but right now it's just sitting without any movement. So on this project, the excursion, that's pretty much what my channel is about. I was able to find the, let me show you, wiring out of the 7.3. I pulled them. It was kind of like a flooded truck, but there is no rust on the wires, because the problem is when I tried to trace the wires, I had a couple minutes, and I've noticed that they try to splice the wiring together, and it's just, as you may see, it's kind of like complete mess over here. And I've decided I better put all the wires out, get the dashboard out. I already started pulling it. Get the dashboard out and simply put the other wires, because you see, somebody was trying to fix that, but I decided not to spend my time on that and just to replace the whole wiring on it. If I'm lucky today, I will put it's not my truck, so it's just the guy bought it for bad. Let me set up my cameras and we'll go from there, because as I say in the previous videos, I need the seat and the steering gear column replaced on this one, as well as I want to put the steering wheel with the cruise control and everything, and finally put the cruise control on this truck. Other than that, it's running fine, no issues so far, so let's get to work. Yeah, I do carry a lot of stuff on my 7.3 over there. With the seat, it's pretty straightforward. 2 nuts, 3/4, then T55, and then the bigger one on the center. And that's it, pretty much. That one I'm gonna be putting somewhere. I haven't decided yet, maybe in that area, so I can charge my devices, or maybe I will put it somewhere inside the bed. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. So the next step, it's gonna be removing them. Here it's the same stuff, but over there it's one more bolt that I put inside, so I have to remove it as well. And the electric, and I will have to connect to be able to slide them forward and then get those 2 back points removed. So I was able to remove those. It took a while. Now let me show you. In order to move them, put my charger in here, and I disconnected the plug. Well, I did the wiring, but I did it wrong last time, and now I just simply connect those 2, like maybe you can see, and I will just put the positive and negative and see if it'll move, hopefully. I hooked it up, let's see, nothing, so that means I need to change them. Let me try. Yeah, stupid me. Over here it's 2 on the bottom, and here it's 1. So I'm gonna cut those, try to do the same thing with this plug connected, and we'll see. And we'll use just a battery to check it out. So everything is hooked up. Let's see the moment of truth. Oops. Yeah, I messed up the positive and negative, but it still moved. And now I will be able to remove the last seats, I mean that nut and that bolt, and we'll go from there. Yay, I made it! I made it. So the seats removed. I'm gonna do next that thing. The difference on this one is got bad wire. I mean, I didn't connect it properly, that's why they were not working. So I will use that tray and I put it into my truck because it's kind of handy to have all the sensors, you know, and stuff for 7.3 around, handy for those who knows that knows. So that being said, let's go ahead and do that. And dealing with the wiring, those two big wires, positive and negative, and that one is signal for seat occupancy, I guess. That's the stuff when you're not, seat is not buckled, it will be beep 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 all the time, you know. Shows all this stuff. So I'll put this tray over here, put my gloves and stuff like that, and then we'll figure out, I'll put the seats in and see, because you see I already did some insulation on this truck. I mean, it's really nice inside, but and I need to put the third wire, as you might notice, because there is not positive, it's just a signal for those seat occupancy. But I'm gonna do wire right now, so I'll show everything. So basically the idea is to put this one somewhere in the fuse box like that, and then put the fuse inside and trace the positive wire through here, lead it over there and to that seat, and get the negative somewhere on the ground. I'll try to find it somewhere where it has connection, but and that's pretty much it. Nothing crazy. So boys and girls, I found this 20 with a constant positive, so I traced it from here, and then I got negative over here, and ta-da! We got it moving, so perfect. That's what I wanted. And same for the other side. So let's check it out. On this side, we press back, it goes backward, all good. Yeah, slowly, but we're getting there. Okay, of course I will put all the wires down there, hide them, and also hide them on that side, see where the pillar is, and we should be good to go. So this is it for today, boys and girls. We are done. I spent maybe 2 hours on that job, but I don't have much more time. I have to go to pick up a little one from school. But if you like that type of content, feel free to subscribe. It doesn't cost anything to you. For me, it's a boost, you know, so I will understand whether you need those videos or not. And in the next episode, we are gonna be if we will be sticking to that truck, replacing the steering column, then steering gearbox, and that's it, and the inverter, and maybe a couple more boxes on both sides. So, and it'll be my perfect work truck And you know why I'm fixing it, because I don't want payments on the work truck, because in my opinion it doesn't, you know, those old 7.3s, they will last you forever until you do proper maintenance and take care of them. So that's it. Appreciate you watching my video. See you.